Because that's how you unlock your superpower. No, it is not enough.
Not enough.
Like
you should
everyone
ask
knows
it
that.
to be specific, you know?
Exactly.
What
what can
routine?
I do?
What's up, everybody? We're the Nandy Bros.
And today we have a guest that we are so excited about.
He's helped build multiple technologies, and we're super happy to have you, Mr. Mistry. Do you think AI could help, well, it probably could help families and build, and kids, help build them healthier habits and what to do? Do you think it would be accurate information? Do you think it would be, I guess you could answer both, accurate or would it help?
And how would it help?
Oh,
yeah. So, okay. So if you think about the huge pillars of health, right? Mental stress, sleep, physical activity, diet, all of the big core areas that impact your health, of course, 100% it could help. One way to make sure AI is not going psycho and hallucinating, because it can, absolutely, is literally whenever you want to make sure the information is accurate, just add the 3 words, cite your source. CITE, cite your source. Tell it, I want you to cite your source. By the way, if you want to go one step even further, you can say, cite only authoritative sources, meaning not just you saw this on some website and here's where I read it. You can literally say, cite it from only the Journal of, JAMA or the New England Journal of Medicine, NEJM, or whatever. You can literally say, I only want it from the American Society of Cardiologists, and that's it. So you can literally be like, tell me everything about my heart that I should do to get it better, but only on authoritative sources. So you don't have to worry too much about AI hallucinating, because you can literally have it show you the websites where it got the information. Yeah. So always do that if you're worried about AI hallucinating. But yes, it can absolutely help you with every... By the way, health, if you look up online, you'll see this. Is one of the top queries on ChatGPT, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
I know there's a new one. There's a new
they launched ChatGPT for doctors.
There's a doctor one.
Yes.
ChatGPT.
They did that on
when
purpose.
Is that?
Yes, they did that on purpose
because it's the most asked one. Yeah.
So many people are using it, but also because they wanted to be careful on the advice they're giving. Imagine I give you the wrong advice.
Oh yeah. Then you're cooked.
You ate the wrong medicine. So yeah. We still give our disclaimer that you should still see a healthcare professional.
Yeah, it says
disclaimer.
Disclaimer. See your healthcare professional. But that being said, even healthcare professionals, every one of my doctor friends has actually used it to learn about the latest research. I still remember my daughter, this was even 2 years ago, there was some app on her iPhone which was an AI avatar, and she would sit and talk to it, and it would remember everything about her. She opened the app 4 months later and it went, hey, I remember you were auditioning for that Matilda. How did that audition go? And we were all in the car going, how did it do that?
Yeah, anyway, does it have a memory bank?
It does. It has a memory bank. It remembers.
Doesn't ChatGPT has that giant one? I don't know where it's located, but it's inside a mountain.
It does. It does.
Isn't it? I feel like half of them are. It's like a memory base, and then they have to put it in the most random place.
I don't know if it's in a mountain, but
I thought I heard that somewhere.
No.
Oh no, that's a secret base, and we saw this on CNN 10. It's
So ChatGPT wouldn't have all of its memory in only one location, because it has to do what's called sharding data. So if that one mountain exploded, they would lose all their data. So you have to send it to different data centers.
Oh, so it's in different areas?
In the cloud, yeah. So they have it in a cloud.
Okay, so it's not in a mountain.
No, it is not in.
Not in a mountain.
I don't know. It just seems like these giant things are built inside mountains. I don't know. Okay. And what do you think would be the best way AI could help somebody with their health experience?
If you ask AI, I want you to give me the most effective way for me to do X. I am addicted to sweets, and I'm like, I want you to give me good strategies that I can try so I eat less sweets. It is very, very good at giving you ideas on things that you can try so that you can work on things like this. So the best way to use AI is to have it give you baby steps to get to your goals. It shouldn't tell you things you already know. You should eat more greens, and you should eat less sweets.
You should ask it to be specific.
Exactly.
What
can
routine?
I do? So give me a plan for tomorrow alone, and let's see how I do, and then I'll talk to you again tomorrow night. You know what I mean? So that's a cool way to use it. So use it to actually make change. Don't just use it to get info. Because by the way, I think most people know how to live healthy. They know they're supposed to exercise. They know, but what they don't know is how to put it into practice. Right? The best thing people can do is, how do I actually implement this? What should I do when I actually go to the grocery store or whatever?
Yeah.
Like the idea. So
wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. So it really good. It's the strongest in anything, as long as you keep it specific.
Yeah. As long as you are specific and you say the prompt the right way. Remember, that's why I said the AI skill I would choose the best is, what is the best way to use AI? Because that's how you unlock your superpower.